What's up everybody, Paige here with another tutorial. This is using my Jackie Aina palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. No fluff today, I'm jumping right into it, priming and prepping my skin using a hydrating mist. I'm now going to prime using two different primers, one to help fill pores and fine lines, the others for mattifying. After that, I'm going to be going right into the brows. This is using a Maybelline brow pencil. I don't typically use this brand, but I ran out like randomly at in the middle of the night, and I went to Walmart to get a brow pencil, and I mean, it's getting the job done. So I'm gonna fill my brows in per usual, and then I'm gonna go over them with my Anastasia brow gel in the color chocolate. Now I'm just taking my LA Girl concealer to clean my brows up and also to prime my lid, and then I'm gonna jump right into the eye look. Look at my baby. Look at him. Hi, Luxie. I just had to mess with him because he was so cute. Look at him. Okay, I'm done. I just placed a transition shade in my crease, and now here's the palette. Jackie. Shout out to Jackie. This palette is amazing. I love every single color. Like, I want to use it every day on every client, on everybody, on myself, on my mom, on your grandma, on everybody. Like, it's amazing. I'm gonna start with that pink color. It's not in front of me right now, so I do not know the name, but I will leave all of the details below. I promise. Also, this is not related to the video at all, but I am like on my deathbed. Not really. I have strep throat, so if I sound different, it's because I am like dying. I'm not dying, but I feel like I'm dying. So yeah, I apologize for the way that I sound. I'm just going to go back into that first color, that pink shade, to pull down into the lid and slightly cut the crease just a little bit. I'm going to add a shimmer, and I really want it to pop, which is why we're going to take some of that concealer just to carve out a blank slate again, if you will. Also, let me know if you guys prefer a more detailed talk through video. My mama told me I talked too much in my last video, so I'm trying to keep it to a minimum. She said, why are you talking so much? So I try to keep it to a minimum this time. But if you want more, if you want me to explain in more detail what I'm doing, listen, I will be happy to do it. It's about y'all, not about my mama. I love you, ma, but it's not about you, it's about them. It's about you guys, okay? Taking my Inglot liner just to give me a nice, sharp, slight wing. I love this eyeliner. It's super rich, creamy, easy to apply. Now I'm taking her Destination lashes, y'all. This is in the style Tanzania. I love this lash. I thought it was going to be too much for me, but it's actually perfect for this look. I quick apply those basically off camera because who got time to be trying to do that? Looking all crazy in front of the camera, not me. So I just color corrected with my LA Girl Pro corrector. Now I'm using the Milani foundation, the 2-in-1 foundation. This is in the color Amber, which This was my first time applying it, and I absolutely love this foundation. It's my number 2 right now. My number 1 will always be the NARS All Day Luminous, but this one right here, strong number 2 for sure. Using my beauty blender just to go back over and make sure everything is seamless. Applying now 2 of the LA Girl concealers. I'll leave the colors below because if I say them now, I will be completely making it up. I know one of them is Fawn. That's all I know. I'm using my Real Technique sponge to make sure everything is blended and that I don't have like a huge glob of anything anywhere. Just want to make sure that we get a nice even application everywhere. Now I'm going to take some black opal foundation with my MAC contour brush to contour. Okay, plain and simple, pretty straight to the point, right? Whatever you do in all your contouring, boo, do not forget the nose. Snatch it. Sit it upright. Get it. Okay? I'm using the Revolution banana powder. This is the second shade of their banana powder. They have a darker one and a light one, and then on top of that I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me powder to just set my entire face. I love this powder. It's a nice matte finish, but I don't look cakey after, so I enjoy that a lot. Okay, using my Real Technique brush, I'm going to dust off the rest of that banana powder, and then the GOAT here, this is the Uninterrupted eyeshadow that I used in the beginning. I also use this to contour or to set my contour, so on top of my cream contour, my nose, my jawbone, all of that fun stuff I use this eyeshadow for. Just look at how cute my baby is. I just love him. Okay, back to the makeup. I'm gonna use Peaches Blush by MAC, old time favorite, and then I'm gonna be using my Fenty Beauty the highlighter blush duo. This is in the Moscow Mule duo. Will forever be my favorite. I'm down to the nitty gritty, but I will buy another one. On top of that, you'll see in a second, my most favorite highlighter ever is the Enlight powder by Danessa Myricks. This is in the Gaucher Glow. I probably use it every single time I do my, it's just everything. I don't know if I'll ever be able to use another highlighter because I love it so much. Okay, so I'm praying that is the end of all the ugly faces. I just applied a NYX liner on my waterline, and then I'm going to take the same colors that we use on the lid to put on my lower lash line just to kind of smoke out or smudge out that liner. And then I'm going to take the shimmer color that we put on the lid on the top, and I'm going to put it right in the tear duct area. So this lip cocktail was a beautiful mistake. I thought that I was putting on Chestnut Liner by MAC, but I actually used Coffee, which is an eyeliner by MAC. And when I realized it, I didn't want to take it off, so then I put Chestnut on top of that, and then I put on Not Yours, which is a sarcastic lip stain. Look at it, girl. It's so beautiful. But I put that on top and just kind of like melted it all in together, and it was perfect. Like, y'all were my social media. Y'all was dying over this lip color. I was too. I love it. Okay, so this is basically the end of the look right here. I'm gonna set everything, and I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for dealing with my horrible voice through all of this. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you for watching. As always, you better shine.